Hello there. Today we are going to open this Pokemon Black and Bolt text sticker collections. I was in a Target store before I coming here to work, and one of the guy there who recognized me, and he knows that I'm buying some Pokemon stuff, and he approached me and told me that, hey, we have some Pokemon stuff there if you want to buy. Last week there has been like pandemonium because that people like buying a lot of Pokemon stuff when there is last Friday, but I was able to get one, but not in Target. The what it is the holiday Pokemon season 2025, but I haven't opened it yet. But anyway, so he approached me today and he told me if I wanted to buy, but there's one more stock left there. So I went there and I bought this one at the cost of $29 with 6% tax, because in Maryland they charge you with 6% tax for the sale. So almost like $30. I didn't even look at the receipt. I lost the receipt, but anyway, we are going to open this Pokemon sticker collection. We'll see what's in there. So you can see there's like a pre in there. It's like, I think this one they call this like a promo. It's hollow, so we'll see. Okay, here it is. Okay, I wish I had my scissor here. So let's see. Here it is. So what is here? So I have like 3 packs. 1, 2, and there's something in the middle. I don't know what's in there. They separate. So it's in here. Have to, and this is the third. Okay, let me show you. This is a black Scarlet Violet Black Bolt. I have 3 of those. Okay. Okay, something like this one. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3, and it's also included with, I think this is a sticker, one of the sticker. Then I have also comes with this card in here, and of course the hollow. Let's see, this is the hollow version. Where's the camera? There it is. Okay, and also it's in the Cellular Ascension 212. It's still kind of hollow. See that? Sparkling. All right, we're gonna open one of the box and see what we can get from here. And there's the one. Let's see. We'll get some sip of coffee. Okay, let's see if we can get some hit in here. So I'm having difficulty opening this one. I don't know how people open this. I always having difficulty. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Guess I have to use my teeth. There it is. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Alright. Guess decided to remove this one for excitement. I think we have to do it like this one. Let's see. Alright, let's see what's in here. 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what is this? And we have someone in here. This is kind of glossy. I don't know what is this one. And this one, and I have one of this one. What is this? Hazarus. And I think I have one in here is the Semstone. Okay. I don't know if there is a value on that, but I still have to look at from my apps, and we will find out if it has a price in it. Oh, I mean it has a value then. Okay, let me put it back on the foil. I still have 15 minutes. Okay, the next one. You, I was able to open it. All right, I just don't want to damage the card. Oops. Okay, I think I have to remove this one and put the other one on the front. Okay, this is the power. What do you call this one? This was the energy, basic energy. Okay, this basic energy. Okay, it's good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, this one. What is this? Azorus. I have the Professor Research. It's kind of glowy. It's a hologram. And the third one is the Emolga. Here it is. Okay, now you got it. So I have to put it back again on the foil where it came from. Let's see, let's fix this one first. I want it to be like in order. Okay. All right, and the last one. Here's the last one. The last one. It's Black and Bold. All right, open up. Oh, come on. There we goes again. Let's use my teeth. Okay, here it is. All right, here is the card. I guess this is the one. Oh, it's hollow. It's hologram again. All right, let's do it. So what we have in here? All right, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what's this? Hologram. What is this one? And this one. And this one. All right, I think this is a Big Teeny, right? Yeah, I got this is a Big Teeny. I got one of this one, but I don't know how much is one, but I guess. And that's all. And thank you again. I hope you will continue following me on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook channel, and my TikTok channel. Thank you.